I'm Nigel. I'm the owner of Alpha and Omega Air Store. Today I just wanted to make a short video explaining how to size up your square outlet. We get a lot of people getting confused with the sizing, so I thought I'd just make a quick video explaining how to size it up. So we use the Polyair MDOX square outlets. It's very simple to do. As you can see, you've got the face of the outlet here, and on the back you've got the neck. Okay, so when we're sizing the outlet, we want to take the neck size, which is just across here. You'll see that the flange runs right around the grill. The flange is roughly about 25 mil. And the idea is that you want to cut, or if you haven't already cut out the hole, if you're just replacing it, that's okay, but you want to make sure that the neck size will fit inside the cut hole, but you want to make it around about 5 mil bigger than what the neck size is. So just explaining that again, the hole that you cut out, or the existing hole, wants to be, it should be roughly about 5 mil bigger than the neck size. The reason being, once you get the outlet into place, you want to have a bit of movement so you can actually get it nice and square in the ceiling. Also, you can see that these grills come with 4 inserts, okay? So the reason behind that is that you can direct the air in different directions. So if you got an outlet that's close to a wall, you can push the air. You can have all of the inserts pushing the air off the wall. If it's in the center of the wall, you can have them directing in different directions, so you get a good coverage throughout that room there. Also, with these square outlets, you get a packet of 4 of the clips. Now these clips can be a bit tricky to put in. I struggle sometimes, but once you learn how to do it, it's pretty easy. So with the clip, you can probably see there, it's like a hook. It's got a hook section on the front of it. So you want to get the hook section, and on the grill you'll see these slots there. So with the hook section, you want to put that in first, and then that just slides down. So the back of the clip is bent, so you can use your thumb to push it in, and that section there pushes down on the gyprock, and that holds your grill in. So I hope that helps. If you're still struggling or unsure, please give us a call. You can contact us. Our phone number's on our website. You can email us, or you can send us a message through our shop. But yeah.